In this video, I'll show you how to add event schema to any events on your WordPress website. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So what is event schema and why would you be interested in such a thing? Well, let's do a quick little search here for Boston events. And on the search result page, we can see this events rich snippet results / widget / whatever you want to call it from Google. And then below that, the regular events. So if you have a page of WordPress content listing an event, that could show up here down in the search results. But if you want any chance of your event to show up in this Google Events widget, you need to include event schema data. That's the only way to get it to show up here. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIO SEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIO SEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIO SEO Setup Wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIO SEO account, which you can find at aioseo.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. Then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So now that you've got All-in-One SEO installed, let's head on over to the Post section. And I'm going to pull up this first post I have here called SEO Conference. It's just a dummy post that I threw together, but we're pretending that this website is having an SEO conference, and this is the post about that event, that SEO conference. So this page, as it is now, could only show up here. Its best case scenario is it shows up here. We need to add event schema to it to give it a chance of showing up here. That's why we're doing this. This is the prize that we're after. So the hard way to create event schema, or any schema for that matter, is to hand code it yourself. If you don't have that skill set, to hire a developer and have them code every page that needs schema. The easy way to do it is to use the All-in-One SEO plugin. We have a schema generator built in. There are two different ways to get to that schema generator. If we click on this All-in-One SEO button on top here, there's a section that says schema. I can expand that. It's telling us the article schema is in use because by default, this page is going to get article schema put on it. And then if we want to use a different schema, we would click this big blue button here that says Generate Schema. I'm not going to do it here because I want to show you the other way we can get into this schema generator. And that's if I scroll past the content of the page and I click on this AIO SEO settings section here to expand it, if it's not already expanded. And then we click on the tab up top that says Schema. I am going to click the Generate Schema button. Then I'm going to choose Event Schema. I'm just going to click the plus button to add that to the page. And then there's a bunch of fields we can fill out. And again, this will communicate this information back to Google so we have a chance of showing up in that schema carousel. The first thing we have here is the post title. My post title for this page is good. It's SEO Conference, but if for some reason my post title didn't sync up with what I wanted to call this event, I could change that here. Maybe I want to call it 5th Annual SEO Conference. Below that, we have a section for description. By default, it's using a post excerpt from the post from this page. So I'm going to leave that. I think that's fine. And then below that, we have type. So you can categorize your event. Since mine is a business event, that's what I'm going to choose, but there are various categories here to pick from. Below type is the status. So if you had canceled your event, for example, you could select that here. I'm just going to leave this as scheduled. There's a lot of information in this event schema generator. You don't have to fill out all of it. Just fill out what is appropriate for your event. I'm not going to fill out all of it in this video because this video would get way too long, but I will walk through the options for you so you know what's available. Attendance mode, online or offline, or online and offline. If you had an in-person event, choose offline. If people could also attend online, you can select that. Or if it's only online, you could select that. The event dates, if it's a one-day event, just select that date. For this example, let's say it's the 26th of September. You can also give it specific times. I'm just going to leave it as the 26th. You can select a location, including a name. So if this was in Boston, for example, we could call it Boston Convention Center if that's where we're holding the event. If that convention center has a website, you could put that in here, drop in a URL to that website, and then all the address information for that location. We can give a price for our event. Let's say my tickets are $100 US. I can put in 100 and then I can select the currency. As you can see, any currency you can think of is available. I'm going to leave mine on US dollars. Sale start date, that refers to when the tickets go on sale. We got a date picker and you can pick when your tickets go on sale. URL to where the tickets can be purchased. So if that's on your own website, you could drop that URL in here. If you are selling tickets through something like Eventbrite or Ticketmaster, you could put tickets in here. Organizer is who's organizing the event. If it's your company, leave it on organization and type in the name of the company. Or if it's a person, you could select person and type that information in as well, including a URL. So if All-in-One SEO was throwing this event, I would put our URL in here. If this is a performance, you can put information in about the performer here. So if it's an organization giving a performance or a person, you can fill out that info. And then you can upload an image for your event. So if you had a graphic designer make a nice flyer for your event, you could upload that here. I'll just show you how to upload something. I'm going to pick from my image library this image here that says demo site, but you can also upload files from your computer. Just typical WordPress functionality for how to upload images. So I'm going to pick that demo site one, and we've got that here. So after you fill all of this out, very important, make sure to click the Add Schema button. If you try to close out of this, it's not going to allow you to without a warning. So I'm going to say no, I changed my mind. And then I'm going to click the blue button that says Add Schema. Now I've added the event schema. I'm going to throw out this article schema here because this no longer qualifies as just an article. This is an event with event schema. I'm just going to click that trash can icon and delete the article schema. So now that you've got your schema added to your page and you've saved the schema, make sure to click the blue update button to save the page itself, page or post. And that's it. You have added event schema to your WordPress event. So that's how to add event schema to your events. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to create jump links in WordPress. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All-in-One SEO.